What's the meaning of bugbear? Bugbear. Bugbear.
Bugbear. Bugbear. The term bugbear refers to something that causes persistent annoyance or anxiety. It can also refer to a hobgoblin or scary creature used to scare children. The origin of the term stems from the Middle English word bug, meaning a frightening specter or hobgoblin, and bear, which means to carry or tolerate. In modern usage, bugbear often describes an irrational fear or pet peeve that persists despite efforts to overcome it. Overall, a bugbear is something that can cause undue stress or fear, but with mindfulness and effort, it can be managed effectively.